Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Power the WH-CH700N on and confirm it has battery. Press and hold the power button to enter pairing mode. Watch for the blue flashing LED. This indicates discoverable status. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. Once done, launch the Sony Headphones Connect app if available, because it shows firmware updates and lets you select AAC or SBC codecs to improve audio quality and latency. After the headset is discoverable, choose WH-CH700N from the Bluetooth list and accept any prompts. If asked, enter code 0000. Once paired, make sure the connection shows as connected for audio and media. Open the Sony app to configure codec preferences and adjust noise canceling versus ambient sound. These settings affect battery and call clarity. Also set multi-device if you want simultaneous connections. Finally, play a short track and a test call to verify microphone and playback function. Finish by updating firmware when the app prompts. Updates fix bugs that block stable pairing. After any update, restart both headset and source device to apply changes. If pairing still fails, remove or forget the headset on your device, then reset the WH-CH700N by holding power and custom buttons per manual and repair. If problems persist, make sure other Bluetooth devices are off and that the source supports the headset's Bluetooth version. Also check app permissions and battery level, because low power can cause dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.